Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Shopify app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, so you keep going down here. When notifications show for you, then you click on it and you click here on customer notifications. Then you come to this list here, you just go down, you keep going down here, and you come here to customer marketing. Sorry, you come here to customer marketing confirmations, and you disable it. You just click in this sign here. That like you see color, it's gone. That's mean customer marketing confirmation. It's in the disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.